3 जना बस्ने हो
तो यार
manja harum.
हेलो ब्युटिफुल पिपल नमस्ते स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई आजको नयाँ भिडियोमा हैन आज चाहिँ हामीले अथवा मैले चाहिँ मेरो साथी अहिले नयाँ साथी आएको छ हाम्रो कम्पनीमा मलाई साह्रै हेल्प गर्छ हैन अहिले चाहिँ त्यो सामान उठाएर लाइनमा हाल्ने काम लगाइरहेको छ उ चाहिँ सो लाइक घाँट दुख्ने अनि उसले चाहिँ साह्रो हेल्प गरिरहेछ अफ्रिकन ब्रदर हो अनि उसलाई चाहिँ मैले खाना खानको लागि इन्भाइट गरेको थिएँ हैन अनि मुना चाहिँ बिहानै उठेर सबै पकाइसक्यो अथवा आधा जस्तो पुगिसक्यो यो के भन्छ चिकन विङ्स अनि फ्राई पट्याटो के भन्छ होला त्यो पनि भएछ दुईटा अनि यो हुन लागिसक्यो दाल पाक्यो हैन दाल पकाइरहेको छ एभ्रिथिङ इज सबै भनौँ न मोर देन हाफ 70% पाकिसक्यो म भर्खर उठेको अनि फेरि पकाएको पनि अलिअलि जति आउँछ त्यति नै भनेर गरिदिएको खिचिरहेको छु अहिले होइन अहिले 11 बजीतिर उसको उसलाई लिनु जानुपर्ने चाहिँ यहाँबाट 13 मिनट जति पर रहेछ म लिएर आएर अनि मुकब्याङको भिडियो हो यता आज है त पिरो म सोध्छु ल के बनाउँछ देखाइ देखाउ त अनि चाहिँ के स्पेसल छ
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Spicy धेरै हुँदैन
खै हाम्रो अफ्रिकन दाजुले कति खान्छ मैले फोन गर्छु भनेको मुनाले नगर्नु भनेर होइन तर
तर म पिरो एउटा नै हाल्दिनँ
पिरो अलिअलि त खान्छ होला म फोन गर्छु अलिकति फोन गर्दा के हुन्न खै त्यही होला नि त्यो ट्र्यास हो डोर ड्यासमा खानेकुराहरू अर्डर गर्छ नि मान्छेहरूले खानेकुराहरू अर्डर गर्छ क्या त्यस्तो मिस्टेकली $40 मेरो मेरो ढोका अगाडि ल्याएर राख्दैछ क्या 9 बजे ल्याइदिएको रहेछ रातिको तर मैले र मुनाले अर्डर गरेको होइन कोही खैरीको नाम छ साइलेन्ट कि के यस्तो के छ नाम होइन अनि कहाँ अर्डर गरेको थियो बिचरा भोकले मऱ्यो होला $40 खर्च गरेर मगायो खानेकुरा यहाँ छ खत्तम भयो दौड़े
तिमीले धोका दियौ भने कसम कट्टा हान्दिन्छु मैले भने कि सुनेको
फेरि अलिकति पानी हालियो यसको रेसिपी भन नि त अब यो फुर्सदमा
म भन्नु
रेसिपी भयो
रेसिपी डोलले पनि जानिहाल्छ नि चिकन पकाउनु
भनौँ
के हाल्नु अदुवा लसुन हाले जिरा हाले टमाटर सुरुमा प्यान बसाए सुरुमा चिकन काट्यो मैले काटेँ जुन अरूले काट्नु पर्थ्यो होइन हिजो गर्नु ल्याएकै कहिले भोलि भने 12 बजीसम्म पुग्छ होइन अनि प्यान उठेर मैले काटेँ पिस 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 बनायो कि चिकन खायो अनि त्यहाँदेखि प्यान बसायो तेल हाल्यो अनि चिकन हाल्यो चिकन फ्राई गर्यो होइन मजाले अलिक रातो रातो हुनेमा अनि त्यहाँदेखि टमाटर अदुवा लसुन ग्राइन्ड गऱ्यो मसला पनि त्यही हाल्यो जिराले ग्राइन्ड गऱ्यो अनि त्यहाँदेखि यो रातो भएर खरेपछि प्याज हाल्यो होइन त्योभन्दा अगाडि मासु हाल्नुभन्दा अगाडि 12 मसला अलिकति पड्काएँ अनि त्यहाँदेखि उयो मरमसला हालेर चाहिँ अब अहिले उयो गर्दैछ पाक्दैछ त्यति हो धन्यवाद फिर्किन ल्याउनु भनेको फिर्किने नि यस्तो छ
के भयो अरे पाक्न लाग्यो पापड खै मासु देख्यो खै निकाल अफ्रिकन दाइको मासु दाल निकाल ल बोल्दै गर सो एनिवे उहाँहरूको चाहिँ लाइसेन्स एन्ड के भन्छ त्यो उयोहरूको गाडीहरूको त त्यो छैन रहेछ कि एक्सेस सो म गएर पिकअप गरेर लिएर आएर पिकअप एन्ड ड्रप पनि के भन्छ सुविधा रहेको छ होइन अब म जान्छु अनि लिएर आउँछु इट्स लाइक 13 minutes फार अवे फ्रम माई हाउस अनि म जानु लाग्छु बाई बाई मुना आई विल सी यु आधा घन्टा लाग्छ होला आइपुग्नु है Welcome, fellow, welcome. Have a seat.
Yo, Mr. Arun.
How are you?
How are you doing? I'm good.
You are hungry? We cook delicious food for you.
No problem, Mr. Arun.
Where is your friend?
Oh,
Hello, my friend.
So, good morning.
My name is Arun. What's your name?
Jamal.
Jamal. Okay. Okay.
Mr. Arun, you see?
What?
You see Faisal?
Faisal, yeah.
Yeah.
Faisal. What?
And we are happy to see you today.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
you're in my place. This barrel here. Now we are heading to your house.
Eat, huh? Chicken. Chicken leg piece, huh? Okay,
My
let's
chicken
go.
legs.
Okay, let's go, okay?
Okay, no problem. Oh, please.
Cool than your place?
Yeah. Our place is like a forest. Mr. Arun, welcome to your place. Welcome to your place.
Welcome to you.
Yeah, this is our first time of coming here to visit you.
Yeah.
Inshallah. We come to eat. That's the chicken legs. To enjoy with you, with your family.
Yeah. Lava. This is a vlog.
Yeah, that's good. Also, that's good.
2 towers. 2 towers. Big towers and one small tower. Dora agla हुन्छ नि यिनीहरू.
And like
Yeah.
he always sad and come, oh no, my friend gone,
Yeah,
my
my
friend
friend is
gone.
already
Like that. Yeah, he always complain about his work. You know, like I work Nordstrom like it's been like 5 years.
Not strong.
Yeah.
You know that stuff?
Yeah, not so. Yeah.
I cannot see
My brother
you.
worked there before.
I cannot see you.
My brother worked in not strong before. My
Oh,
two
now
brothers,
I see you.
my two brothers work in not strong. So one name was Karim, yeah, and one name was Sadiq. Yeah, so they work in Nostrum. That was last 2 months. They worked there, and later on the work was very slow.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah, and they told them to stop coming. But also, why it's a good company.
Yeah,
It's a good company.
Yeah, they give good money.
Yeah, they give good money too.
Yeah, and that's not that heavy.
Yeah.
That's not heavy work over there.
Yeah, not hard work.
I took him for like two times over there, but his luck is not there because first time when he went there, like they said that they said they had the open interview. We went there, but they said that they canceled the interview and they said that come for next interview, and then they don't have. And again, he did same thing, but like I don't know, they don't call him or what. And he.
Oh, sorry.
I tried this.
Yeah, he tried for 2 times, and then he went to the other company. It's food company,
Cold one.
and again he had lots of complaint. I worked there for like 4 years again.
Oh.
Yeah, like food company. It's too cold, but that's so easy.
The company name?
Kargil.
That time when I used to work, that was Vantage. Right now it's like Cargill. It took over to Cargill.
Oh, okay.
It's a meat company.
You know me too. If I get Farouk work too, I'll be happy.
How long you had my friend?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see me well, unless I get up so you can see me well. So my friend is saying that not only he can get to our company, he will be happy to work with us.
No, it's like when you go to the company, you make the new friend. Like yes, because no one knows that like you can work with him because maybe his company doesn't like want you over there. It's something like that.
But even right now, our company is slow.
Yeah.
Our company is slow. Even that was yesterday. I couldn't go to work. I went to work on Monday. We close around 10:30. We supposed to close 12, but we closed 10:30. On Tuesday, I was at the house. They couldn't call me to come. Wednesday also, I went to the work, and I get full time. We get full time together. I and my friend Harun, we enjoy together. Yeah. So that was yesterday. On Thursday, I went. Oh, it was very bad. I closed around 8. I get only 5 hours, and I went back to the house. And yesterday, Friday, they said they were gonna call me, but they didn't call me yesterday. I said I was so sad.
The same thing happened to our company also. Like they call like new people also, and then when they like it takes when after 5 or after 8 hours, they send home. And,
This is not good.
And some people don't have the drive. They need to wait for 2 hours because we leave at 2 a.m.
But Haru, I don't know. Next time, when they ask me to go home, so I will tell them that I don't have rights. So unless they give me a full time, so that I can follow Maxwell to the house, so I can follow my friend. Yeah, next time I will tell them that I don't have rights. So unless I wait for Sam, so they can give me full hours to work.
Sam's no more.
Hey, sorry, Maxwell, that African guy. So that was on Thursday. I made a mistake to go home. So I was supposed to tell them that I don't have rights. So unless I wait for Maxwell, I think that time they will give me the full time to work.
Yeah. Sometimes, but if they don't want, they don't want. Like it's happened like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
ओके सो यहाँ पस्किँदैछ यहाँ भात हेर्नु नि यहाँ खतरनाक छ हौ मेरो लागि त कहिले यस्तो बनाएन त साथीहरूको लागि चाहिँ खतरनाक बनाउँदैछ त
अब साथीलाई किन भनेर
हेर्नु नि यहाँ स्टोरी
राख्ने हालिदिन्छु एकछिन यो त बिग्रो यार यो तपाईँको साथीलाई दिनु मासु सब्जी त्यही हालिदिउँ मासु सब्जी त्यही हालिदिउँ
ठाउँ छैन त्यही साइडमा हालिदिउँ तीनजना बस्ने
यार झर्छ
के हुन्न Thank you. Now you can have food. Sorry for wait.
Oh,
Yeah, these two.
oh,
Thanks.
damn, where's your food?
She's gonna eat, yeah.
Okay.
For you. तपाईँ अलिक यता बस्नु न।
Okay.
You can take pictures if you like that.
Yeah.
You can take pictures
Yeah,
and send to your family.
Take my brother.
No. Take a picture. I mean to say food picture.
दाल हाल्नु लगाउनु नि।
Eat this one. This one is good dal. This is called dal.
Dal.
Beans हो beans.
Beans.
Beans. Yeah. Manager Harun from Synchron. Yeah, so maybe next year you'll be the manager of Synchron, so that I'll be free, so I can come work always.
Yeah. How?
ल त्यहाँ अहिले एड गर्नु पर्यो नि।
पर्दैन यति हुन्छ होला अन्त फेरि यत्रो लम्बो छ You want something more then you can ask.
No, it's good. Yes, okay. Very good. Yeah. Gracias. Gracias. Spanish. Gracias. Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias no is Spanish.
धन्यवाद नेपाली। कागती पनि छ हौ साथी। कागती चाहिँ खान्छ होला नि?
बाबा धेरै मिक्स भयो क्या मिठो थाहा भएन You want lemons? No.
No, it's okay. It's good, brother.
त्यसो म खाऊँ।
No, खाऊ न भोक लाग्दैन खाऊ
So I'll let Madam to take us a picture. Madam will stand here and take us a good picture.
Muna.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Oh.
Within. So 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
अरू सब्जी कस्तो भएछ?
Yeah.
मुखमा त साथीको मामा हाल्ला नि। तपाईँ छटपटी छ।
Yeah, good morning to everyone. But sorry, I think let me check the time. Yeah, this afternoon. I'm sorry, good afternoon to everyone. Yeah, this morning my friend Mr. Harun from Synchron. We're happy together this morning. I visited him in his house. Although but I wasn't happy right, but he came to pick me from my house. I'd buried here. Then we came together. The wife, his lovely wife, Madam. So Madam cooked a very delicious food for us to eat and enjoy together. But alhamdulillah, inshallah, we are so enjoying and we are very appreciate. Thank you very much, Mr. Haruna, my good best friend. I hope I can stay with you forever. Yeah, I like you. Madam, thank you very much, Madam.
You know Arabic something? Arabic, you know?
Arabic? Small.
Assalamu alaikum, kefal hal, jeninta, weninta. Kullu malam? Kullu malam?
كيف حالك كيف أصبح or
كيف الحال؟
كيف حالي you know small but you can't
وين
go.
انت؟ أكل خلاص فلوس فينا فلوس
I don't
أنا معلوم كله.
Yeah.
I know everything Arabic. You don't know about me?
Yeah.
I'm a big man. Same like
the way we're
you.
eating, like the way we're eating, when we're Arabic, maybe you are sitting, your father comes in and asks you, Altagadata? Altagadata means, have you eaten? You say, yeah, naam, tagadaitu. Yeah,
Naam,
I've eaten.
naam. Yeah.
Altagadata ma abi,
Uh-huh.
whom do you work, whom do you eat plus? Altagadata ma abi, wa ummi wa uti. I ate the food plus my mom,
my dad
and my daddy, and my younger sisters and my younger brothers. That's why we're doing the same thing here. MashaAllah, Mr. Harun. Thank you very much. We are much appreciated.
Enough, man. Enough.
Yeah. You see my chicken? You see my chicken hands? Always, I come to company, I eat chicken legs.
Yeah.
And today I'm eating the hands.
You don't like you don't like wings?
I like the wings. Yeah, it's all the same. So today, when you eat the legs today, tomorrow you eat the hands, and tomorrow next, then you must eat the head.
मजा आएगा तो. We are enjoying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eat, but I don't like them eating with the spoon. No good. Hands good.
You got your hand?
Spoon. Chicken eats with the spoon.
Chicken eat with spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's more fun. When you feel heat, you can take this one to fan yourself, you see?
गर्मी भयो भने यस्तो गर्नु अरे यस्तो हावा आउँछ अरे. This is called papad.
Papad.
Papad, yeah.
Okay.
In Africa, you don't eat this one?
No.
You like it though?
Yeah, it's good. Very good.
I don't think the shati check out shati man you fucking get that in the shati.
Africa, where are you from?
From Ghana?
Ghana.
Yeah.
And you? Same?
Same.
Something.
Same place too?
Yeah, same place. We're living in the same place.
Oh, you know before when? Okay.
Yeah. Ghana. Ghana is the most peaceful country
In the world.
Ghana is the most peaceful country.
in the world, yeah.
When you come to Ghana, when you
They
enter
never
Ghana,
fight. They never fight before.
Really?
Yeah, they never fight
when you
before.
come to Ghana,
Then why Ghana's people are so much strong? So that we thought those people are so fightery kind of people.
Alright, you see?
Tall.
when we are strong is from our childhood till we grown.
And
Because
and
our
sometimes also,
forefathers they used to work hard, so like us we have to also work hard. They always teach us how to work and make money and hard work about life, all of that. Yeah.
and sometimes also how sometimes we Africa we are just we're also strong is that it depends on our food,
Yeah.
what we eat, and the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how you work too.
Yeah.
You know, African food in here is not the same. And even when we was journeying to America here, at least we were staff. on the way because we can't eat the food on the way.
Yeah.
Because we used to eat African food, and here we get to find out here there's no African food unless you go and buy it somewhere. And so sometimes the bones, what we eat in Africa, make our bones strong. See? So that's why the difference is that we Africa, we are more strong than maybe the white people. Because depending on what we eat.
Okay.
Sometimes in English we do say that we grow what we eat and we eat what we grow. So what we grow in Africa is what we eat there.
Yeah.
In America here, what they grow here is what they eat. And they also eat what they grow. So that's the difference.
I don't understand. Anyway, nice lecture. Tali. Everybody clapping. So, what you say is, we eat this. Eat with this. We eat this, eat with this. Same like, what do you say? You say,
I said,
we grow what we eat.
grow what we eat and eat what we grow.
And what we do the same.
Yeah. You do the same.
Yeah.
But the food, they are not the same. And the type of growing that the type of plant that we plant, our plant and your plant is not the same. But sometimes
Our plant is no good?
your plant is good. If your plant wasn't good, it won't grow.
Yeah.
Your plant is good, but
Then why are you guys
planning.
why are you guys so stronger than me?
So no, we are all strong. We are all strong. Because I think maybe sometimes also, if you think that maybe I'm stronger than you, maybe it will depend on the age. Because you're older than me. Yeah, you're older than me. So
5 months. 5 months older.
yeah, because I'm too young. Yeah, I'm still young. And I'm still single. No wife, no kids.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
I have a wife. That's why maybe I'm not that strong, huh?
No. Oh, then we also appreciate and thank you very much, madam. We thank you very much, madam. Yeah. We should have family like you. Wow. This is the weekend's enjoyment.
How many grade you go to school? Like
How many years?
what grade? Sorry, my English is very bad.
The level of our education, our education level. Yeah. We finished tertiary.
What?
Tertiary.
Specially?
Senior high.
Oh, 12. Senior high.
Sorry, yeah, senior high. We finished senior high.
You too?
Yeah.
Senior high?
Yeah, we finished senior high. Completed
Oh,
senior high.
you guys have beautiful English. Very good English.
Oh, thank you very much. You know,
English is our first language in Ghana.
English. You guys talk English down there too?
yeah, English. Oh, we speak. In Ghana, we speak English.
With whom?
Yeah,
We
some people
finished-
in Ghana who don't speak any language apart from English.
Sorry?
Yeah, there's some people in Ghana. They don't understand any language apart of English.
You have like your local language, like you talk to each other.
Yeah, we have our local language. We have English too, and sometimes also when we're in the house, we speak our local language together. And when we're in school, then we forget about the local language and we do speak English.
Oh, in school.
Yeah, we do speak English.
Oh yeah.
And sometimes also you can go out and meet someone who doesn't understand your local language unless you speak English with the person.
Okay.
Because we have much people who doesn't understand any language apart of English. So sometimes when you go out, you meet someone, you speak with the person who may not understand what you said. You can maybe speak or maybe 3 or 2 different languages. The person tell you maybe he will understand unless you speak English to him.
Okay.
Uganda is a place that English is very common. English is very common in Ghana. And even when you see maybe a small kid, maybe someone can like let's take it maybe by 80 years, 60 years, you can see the person can speak English, good English. Because in Africa, let me say Ghana, we don't joke with English. Yeah, English is a common language where everywhere that everybody can speak.
Okay. Enjoy the meal, boy.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you so much for watching the video होइन हामीले मस्त गफ गऱ्यौँ अनि मुकब्याङ भिडियो जस्तो खालको मैले प्लान गरेको थिएँ तर लाइक उनीहरूले त्यो हुन्छ नि चम्चाले त्यही माथि फोनहरू खेलाएर खायो अनि इन्जोय गरिरहेको थियो क्या लाइक हुन्छ नि त्यो मैले सोचे जस्तो त्यो मजाले हातले नै खाइदिन एक्चुअली त्यो मेरो साथीले चाहिँ हातले खान्थ्यो होइन कम्पनीमा मैले देखेको मजाले खान्थ्यो यहाँ आएपछि त चम्चा चाहियो भन्छ चम्चाले एउटा हात फोनमा खेलाएर बसिरहेको थियो मैले साथी आएको के अब फोनमा खेला अथवा यस्तो गर उस्तो गर भनेर भन्नु छोडिदिएँ अनि मैले चाहिँ अब क्यामेराबाट खिच्छु भनेर सोचेँ क्यामेरा लगाएँ फेरि क्यामेरा लगाएको पनि बिस्तारै फोनमा चाहिँ धेरै ध्यान दिएँ क्या अनि मैले सोचेँ छोड्दैन उनीहरूलाई म इन्जोय गरोस् अब कि मेरो फाइदाको अथवा मेरो लागि मात्रै भनेको जस्तो खालको फिल भयो क्या अनि मैले उनीहरूलाई त्यो क्यामेरा बन्द गरिदिएँ अनि मैले मस्त खाइरहेको थिएँ अनि पछि फेरि गफहरू निक्ल्यो अनि मैले मेरो क्यामेरा निकालेर उनीहरूलाई हल्का त्यो जुन पनि तपाईँले देख्नुभयो त्यो रेकर्ड गरेँ अनि त्यसपछि त्यही नै भयो होइन लाइक वी वर लाइक ह्याभिङ अलिक मजाले गुड टाइम जस्तो अनि रादर देन मुकब्याङको त्यो मेरो दिमागमा जुन लोचा चलिरहेको थियो यस्तो खालको भिडियो खिच्छु यहाँ त्यहाँ भनेर बिसाइड द्याट त्यो कुराहरू चाहिँ अब उनीहरूलाई त्यो आइडिया छैन नि त्यो नयाँ मान्छे अब उनीहरू हुन्छ नि त्यस्तै भयो सो एनिवे यति नै हो आजको भिडियो चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई कस्तो लाग्यो लेट मी नो इन द कमेन्ट सेक्सन आई होप यु गाइज इन्जोय द भ्लग होइन फेरि हामी अर्को कुनै मुकब्याङ भिडियोज ओर भ्लग अर केही न केही चाँडोभन्दा चाँडो लिएर आउन कोसिस गर्छौँ भन्दै आजलाई बिदा चाहन्छु नमस्ते